which comes first, humanity or religion? Regarding the question which comes first, humanity or religion, it depends upon which religion are you talking about. Some religions, it may come later. As far as Islam is concerned, a Muslim is not a good Muslim unless he is a good human being first. So in Islam, all the aspects of humanity are covered. So if you ask the question which will come first, humanity or Islam, I would say Islam. Because Islam encompasses humanity. It's like asking, would you like to pass school or would you like to pass graduation? When you pass graduation, it's understood that you are passing school also. Without passing school, you cannot pass graduation. So Islam is far superior. It includes all the aspects of humanity. There is not a single teaching of Islam which is against humanity. People may think it is, but the moment you realize the logical reason why that rule has been prescribed in Islam, there is not a single teaching of Islam which is against humanity as a whole. So I would say between the two, between humanity and Islam, of course, Islam is number one. That is the reason it's clearly mentioned in the Quran, in Surah Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 19. Inna dina indallahi Islam. The only religion acceptable in the sight of Allah is Islam.